it super artsy today and give a radical makeover to everyone's all-time favorite kitty, Hello Kitty. Sounds totally awesome, right? Let's dive in. First things first. Sketch out Hello Kitty's perfectly round face with those massive eyes, a tiny nose, and her iconic whiskers. And hey, don't forget to add that super cute bow on the side. That's her signature look, isn't it? Moving on to her body, keep it small and round, just below her head. Give her two little arms, maybe one waving hello to you. Now, onto the dress. Will it be a fluffy sundress with frills or a sleek princess gown? Hello Kitty is all about being pint-sized and cute, so no need for long legs here. Time to give her some insanely gorgeous, long hair. Draw two soft lines cascading down from her head for those beautiful braids. Picture her hair shining like satin ribbons under the sun. Now comes the super fun part. Divide her hair into sections and gently sketch those braids elegant and lovely. Add little ribbons or bows at the ends for that extra touch of magic, like something out of a fairy tale. Behold your masterpiece, Hello Kitty, rocking the most stunning long braids in the entire neighborhood. Flowing braids that will make her look even more adorable. Now that we've drawn Hello Kitty with her jaw-dropping long braids, it's time to bring her to life with a burst of color. Grab your fave pencils, markers, or crayons. Let's make her shine. Start with her sweet face color, her fur a soft, creamy white. Next, her iconic bow. Will it be classic red, pretty pink, or maybe your favorite color? Add a touch of shine to the ribbons to make them pop. Want to make her extra special? Draw a dreamy background, fluffy clouds, sparkling stars, or a field of flowers. Hello Kitty, so let's make it. Look at her now, Hello Kitty, glowing with color and ready to brighten your day. Whether she's pink, purple, or covered in glitter, she's perfect because you made her. Check her out now, standing tall, well, short and cute in her fabulous outfit. She's all set for a tea party, a garden escapade, or a magical day beneath a rainbow. She's all geared up for adventures, tea parties. How about we amp up her cuteness with some insanely beautiful, or simply being the most stylish kitty in town? Light strokes for a silky look. Now, for those beautiful braids. Will they be golden blonde, pastel pink, or even rainbow striped? And don't forget the ribbons woven and maybe they match her bow. Coloring is like giving love to your art. So keep creating, keep smiling, and remember every stroke is a little hug for your imagination. Catch you later, happy artists!